basically a quick POV of driving an FN2 Type R, and I'm just going to give you a quick little preview to explain that FN2 Type R is a much better car than an EP3 Type R, and one of those basically. Brief it down. Absolutely excellent, phenomenal power. I mean, this car produces 200 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds. You can pick one of these up for less than £2,000 today. Now, a lot of people are going crazy over these EP3s, especially EGs and Integras. There's no point even paying for one of those now. But you're getting a K20. It's not the best K20, but it's still a K20 that produces power, and you get to feel the VTEC, which I'll show you guys right now when we proceed up the road. But it's the best bang for buck, and I'm telling you right now, it's the best car to get right now, because like I said, if you can grab it now for less than £2,000, you're getting a handful of a car. Very, very nice car to drive. A lot of people say, oh, it's not a nice car to drive, but it's nice and quiet. So it blends in with the road, the traffic, and then when you really want to go, if you really want to race and you want to like overtake the traffic, you can do amazing things like this. Excuse me, bro. Look at that VTEC. Look at that VTEC. Look at that VTEC. Boom. Just like that. You can carry on. And like, you're unstoppable in VTEC. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that buy them now. Don't miss your opportunity of buying an FN2 Type R. You can't lose out. It's just best bang for buck. 2 doors, nice beautiful bucket seats, put your gadgets there nicely, 6-speed, you know, for the motorway runs to get good MPGs. A lot of people say they drink on fuel, they're not daily cars. You can probably get 40 to 50 miles per gallon if you're driving sensible and not in VTEC. So yeah, cheap tax, cheap all-round insurance group, because like I said, people don't really want to drive these cars, and you can't go wrong. And if you really don't like this car, at some point you feel like you want to change, you can just take out this engine and gearbox and whack it in an EK or an EG, and then you're going to be up by a couple of £1,000. So you can do that anytime. So you cannot lose if you buy an FN2 Type R. You can swap it in any car, like how they say in the meme, K-swap the world, K-swap every car. And this engine and gearbox, you can't go wrong. Boom, left turn. And this car is just practically amazing. Boom, rev match. Excuse me. And then put your foot down again. Boom. Watching VTEC, watching VTEC. Look at that, look at that. Oh my lord. Now, I've driven lots of JDM cars. I've driven Evo, I've driven Skylines, Supras, even the German cars, Audi S4, you name it. I've driven them all, and I just still feel like best value for money is an FN2 Type R. You just can't go wrong. And this is why I'm making this video for the second channel, Hoodstick, is to tell you to grab yourself this car. It's like a secret. Like, don't need to hire a car, you don't need to finance a car, you don't want to buy like a modern car. Look at that for a dash. Look at that timer right there. Look at the gadgets you got all over here. CD player, your aircon and your fan, your everything, your mirrors, all right here. It's all facing you beautifully. You start your engine, press start button, electric windows, all right here. And obviously the gear lever perfectly sitting right here. You got an armrest right here, which a lot of sports cars don't have, so you feel quite executive. You got compartments right here. It's just amazing. It's a beautiful car. I just don't know why people slate the FN2 Type Rs, and I feel like very soon people are going to clock on when they can't buy EP3 Type Rs, they can't buy any other Type R. This is the car to get. So if I can make it any louder, buy this car. Get an FN2 Type R. Save up your money if you don't have the money, or sell whatever car you got. I used to have a Touareg. Wow. And buy one of these. Don't settle for less. A lot of people will say, oh no, get the Porsche Boxer, but they're gonna break down anytime. Don't waste your money. Because with this car, you will never lose your money. Because if you buy it for less than 2,000, you can sell the engine and gearbox for more than that, and you can break the car into pieces. We've done it several times on the Hoodstick channel, the main channel, and I'll do it again and again and again. That's it. I'll do it again. Second gear. Watch the VTEC. Ran up McGann. Bye. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. Handles the speed. If you really want to go, look at that VTEC. You can stay in VTEC all day if you really want to. Just listen to it. Catch up to that German car. Wow. Absolutely phenomenal car. Oh, I love it so much. So much VTEC. VTEC. Can't get enough of it. And it's nice and quiet then. You don't need a full exhaust in this. Just leave it standard. You don't need to put anything on there. If you want to put an induction to make the VTEC sound louder, go ahead. You can still drive it slow, and you'll gap a lot of cars in this. A lot of people say you can't. That's because they just don't know how to drive one. You can drive this car really hard, and it can give you some skills. It'll teach you a lot of lessons. It'll teach you how to drive a slow car fast and push it beyond its limits. And you never know. You won't learn in a modern car because there's too much traction control, too much like driving aids, like taking away the part where you actually learn the skill of driving a car properly with a box instead of a DSG. So you get everything. Just can't get. That sounds amazing. Wow. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal. Whew. Oh, downshift, downshift, downshift. Beautiful. Just can't get enough of the VTEC sound. Gosh. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Drop a like, drop a comment on what you actually think, and if you like this type of video, like a bit of advice on what car to get, an FN2 Type R, bang for buck, then just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out, guys. May the Almighty bless each and one of you.